Made possible by brainybuyer.com and viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Want more no-nonsense reviews? Smash subscribe to keep them coming. Hey, I'm looking at these two Weber Grills, the Q1200 and the Summit S-670. What's the deal?
Okay, so the Q1200 is like a portable, compact grill, right?
Yeah, I see that. And the Summit S-670 is massive.
Exactly. Let's talk specs. The Q1200 only has one burner, putting out 8,500 BTU and a cooking area of 189 square inches. Think small family grilling.
Got it, burgers and dogs. What about the big boy?
The Summit S-670 is a whole different beast. 6 stainless steel burners cranking out 60,800 BTU. Plus, it has a side burner, a sear station, a smoker burner, and even a rotisserie burner.
Wow, that's a lot of burners. What's the cooking space like?
A whopping 769 square inches total. 624 for primary cooking and a 145 square inch warming rack. You could cook for a whole party.
Okay, so size and power are a huge difference. What about materials?
The Q1200 has porcelain enameled cast iron grates and a cast aluminum body. It's durable but lightweight.
And the Summit?
Stainless steel all the way. Stainless steel cooking grates, flavorizer bars. It's built to last. And weighs a asterisk lot more, by the way.
What about ignition?
Both have electronic ignition, so easy startups. The Summit has a Snapjet individual burner ignition system, which is pretty cool.
So the Q1200 is portable and runs on small propane cylinders, right?
Yep, perfect for tailgating or camping. While the Summit needs a full-sized propane tank or natural gas hookup, it's definitely a stay-at-home grill.
Okay, price-wise? I see a big difference.
Huge. The Q1200 is around $259. The Summit S-670 is close to $3,000.
Ouch! So it really comes down to size, features, and budget, huh?
Exactly. If you want something portable and simple, the Q1200 is great. But if you're a serious griller and want all the bells and whistles, the Summit S-670 is the ultimate machine.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.